going on, YouTube viewers? We are here at the inlet, and Catch 'em All Minnow right here, doing what he does best with a net, has found a beautiful size rock crab. Now, it's only got one claw, so it looks like somebody already had harvested its one bigger claw. We are here at the inlet. We are on the hunt for some blue crabs, some shrimp and stuff to feed the fish at home. So we're gonna see what we can get finding. We got the husband out here, got little fish. The other little one is hanging out with Grandpa tonight. He did not feel like coming out, which is okay. Now, the water is rough, it is murky. Sorry for the camera quality here, but that's because the tide is going out right now. So all this lovely crappy river water is getting sucked right back out. What'd you get? The husband has caught a couple little shiners.
I caught one.
What'd you catch?
I caught another one with Dad caught.
What'd you get?
Oh, I got it on my net.
Was it a rock crab?
No.
This water actually feels really, really warm. It's not too bad. It's been scorching hot here in Florida. It's got this whole river and ocean system feeling nice and warm. So me and Fish are gonna hang out. Oh, look, there goes a needlefish. Needlefish, needlefish. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. I thought he said he got a crab. It's a shrimp. It's a little hard for me to hear with all these crashing waves. But just like that, look at that beautiful sized shrimp. Almost good eating size, but it's gonna be perfect for live bait for fishing out here on the river. And also, if we catch quite a bit like we did last time, we can take it home and feed the fish at home. So me and Fisher are just gonna go out this way. I'll pick the phone up from time to time when we find some cool things. Oh look, here's a smaller crab. Ah! Hang on a second, guys. Look, here's a smaller rock crab. Fisher, come here. Scoop up this rock crab right here.
Where?
Right here.
This one?
Yep, see him? Here, I'll help you. Oh, we got him in my net. Here you guys go. Beautiful rock crab. Definitely a small one.
There's like fish
We're
right
gonna
here.
let him go, or her. Ooh, look, here's a crab on this rock over here. Not sure what kind that is. Oh, it's kind of like a little blue crab. Oh, it is like a little blue crab. I think it's one of those little sand crabs. Oh, massive blue crab. Come here, sweetie, help. I only got one hand. Guys, I found a massive blue crab right underneath here. It's gonna be good eating size. Only problem is sometimes when the crabs are here, usually they're egg bearing. So I'm gonna help my husband. I'm gonna put my little net right here. I'm gonna chase it towards his. Oh, it actually is small. Dang it. I thought it was a big one. Ah, where'd it go? Did it go in yours? Oh. So right there, guys, that is a blue crab. I thought it was a lot bigger. The water is a little cloudy here, but that is what we're going for, but definitely a lot bigger. We need bigger than that. So we'll let this little guy go to live another day and see if we can find some bigger ones like that. With the water being a lot warmer, it's definitely good prime time for, no, for crab. Oh, I see some little fishies right here.
I know.
I got a little fish.
Oh, there's a big fish.
What little fish? I got like a little pinfish in there. See it? What'd you get? Anything? No? There's a little lobster on here, guys. I wanted to show you, but by the time I got
found a lobster.
Yep, Fisher thought it was a shrimp, but it turned out to be a little lobster. But we're waiting to see if we can see its glowing orange eyes again to get them. Hey, YouTube viewers. The Catch 'em All Minnow here has caught something for you guys, and he would like to show it to you. What'd you get?
I caught.
What'd you get? What is that?
Let me see.
It's like a big mouth sleeper.
Yeah. Hey viewers, if any of you guys can comment down below and tell us what this is, please let us know. What is
That's an eel.
No, it's not an eel. It's like a... Yeah, it's like a big mouth sleeper, but... I don't know. Fishery... Oh, you're... he caught a needlefish for you guys, and he's... There you go. Oh, and he dropped it, and off it goes. Nope. No. He swam off somewhere. We caught a couple of crabs, guys. I'll show you guys in the bucket here in a little bit. It's kind of hard to try to catch crab, hold a camera all at the same time. Should probably start bringing our GoPro out here and just wear the chest strap so I don't have to hold a phone or a camera in my hand. But me and Catch 'em All Minnow are still on the hunt for some things and finding quite a bit of few cool stuff here in the shallow waters. Out there, because the tide's going out, it's starting to get really, really murky. Yep, I've seen that. It's starting to get really, really murky out there. So we're trying to stay close up to here so we don't fall into like a hole or something. And then like, look right here. Look how well that rock crab blends in here. Hello, viewer. So my husband has caught something really cool.
Another one.
That right there is a little spade fish. Beautiful. Good job.
Another one.
Fisher caught one too?
No.
Is he trying to?
Yeah.
Right here.
They probably went underneath the rock or something, kind of like the hi-hats. Oh, Daddy found it over here.
Fisher. This one looks like a smaller one than what you've seen.
Let me see. Where?
It's hanging out right there around the little grass part.
I'll see it.
Right there. Yep. There you go. There he swam out. Don't step on him.
Chase it into the net. Right here it is, over here.
See?
Watch, put your net, don't. Right there, and you go like this and you chase them in it.
You're gonna get tangled up in it. There he goes. Look.
Got him.
Good job. Fisher got a spade fish as well, guys. No, don't hold them in your hands. Just show them in the net. Or I guess show them in your hands. Another spade fish. 2 spade fish. That's pretty cool. Let them go. That's exciting. So let's see what else we can find. Hey viewers, I'm not sure how well you can see this. Got another blue crab. The Catch 'em All Minnow helped me catch this. Look at that. I think that's going to make 6 blue crab.
Well,
But yeah, really good, decent size. This is like the, oh wait, I see something. Oh, we can't keep this one. Okay guys, so we have to let this blue crab go. Because as you can see all that orange there on her bum? Those are eggs. So this is an egg-bearing female, and those ones you are not allowed to keep.
I want to let it go. I never let a crab go.
Take my net. Put your net down. Alright. Catch 'em All Minnow is gonna let this little female crab go. But we do have, I believe we have 5 blue crabs right now.
Mama, I show them a starfish.
Fisher's got a starfish that he wants to show you guys.
Cool.
Oh.
It's gray.
So this starfish right here, guys, has lost quite a bit of its legs over time. So you can see where its new growth is coming in. We're gonna let it go. Boop. And keep on hunting. Hey viewers, Catch 'em All Minnow here doing what he does best. Look at this huge needlefish or houndfish. Way to go. He caught it with his dip net. Go on, let him go.
No, oh yeah, he has a big boo-boo.
Yep, we're gonna let him go.
That thing's massive.
It's a big one, yeah. He definitely got ouchie on him. Hey viewers, we wanted to show you something that Fisher found just floating on the water. This right here is an arrow crab. You can have them in your aquariums. It's pretty cool. I never ever seen an arrow crab this small before. Good find. It was just swimming around in here. It looked like a little piece of grass. Show them how it swims.
Swims like that.
Oh. Now you're gonna lose them. I don't know. Huh. Need to find a bigger one so we can have a better example to show you how it swims. No, I don't think I've ever seen a purple crab before. What do we got? Aw, it's a little rock crab, but it's in purplish in color. That's pretty cool, fish.
Oh, I'll go.
Yep.
Backflip.
Backflip. Ladies and gentlemen, Fisher is fighting a fish right now, and we have no clue. Oh, I see it.
Catfish.
Catfish.
This is powerful.
This thing's powerful, he says.
Watch your feet.
Is that what we got in our pond? A little channel cat? Or what is it? Or a hardhead? What?
I thought this was a hard head.
Yeah, I think this is a hardhead catfish.